Okay. I went and I looked through all of my blue dialed 6139 Pogue style cased watches, and I think these are the two best options to choose from. One is a very early, well, relatively early JDM, Japanese domestic market, Seiko 5 Sports Speedtimer, water 70-meter proof, with the correct early two-piece hand. It's got the red Speedtimer text in the dial. It's all original loom. It's original paint. These early ones, these JDMs, these have the 21 jewel movement versus the 17 jewel movement of the non-JDM. This is early. This one is July 1969. It's pretty early. It's head only, but you can get straight bracelets for these. The case has been polished, not terribly, but it has been polished. It's got the cutout crown right there, which is correct for these. The case lines are a little blurred, but not bad. It's definitely had wear. The biggest thing about this is it's got the upgraded higher jewel movement, and of course it's the much rarer Seiko 5 Sports Water 70 proof Speedtimer variant. Needs to be serviced. Needs basically everything. But it's a good place to start. This is a late piece. This, yeah, 75, March 1975. It's original, untouched, down to the crystal. Unrestored in every way. All the brushing is intact and original. Look at the sort of the strong hatchy brushing on the top of the case. That's correct. It's got a doink there, but the insert is actually really nice. Like this one, it's all original loom. It's original hands. It's a good watch. Again, it's unserviced. This one is on its correct taper H-link bracelet. That's the genuine Seiko bracelet. That's what this watch came on. Do wheel languages on this thing. Let me make sure I'm not in the middle of a turning over. I guess I am. Look at that nice bright white loom. Yeah, it's Spanish English. Resets nicely. It's going to need a movement service, a case rebuild with all new seals. The crystal, it's the original Type 2 crystal, and you can see all the hits on it. I mean, it displays nicely. You can see clearly. It still is clean and clear, but probably might want to think about that. One of the best things is that the indicator ring, that diddly there that's turning, is totally unfaded. It's really, really nice condition. Versus, you can see this one's a little grayed out. This one saw more sun. Well, let me know if either one of these, early or late, might fit the bill for you. Thank you.